What do we do if we don't have enough ventilators? This is the alternative if you don't have the ventilator. We are actually buying these. We've bought about 3,000. We've ordered about an additional 4,000 of these bag valve masks. But you need a lot of people to operate this 24 hours a day for each patient. If we have to turn to this device on any large-scale basis, that is not an acceptable situation.
Rice students and faculty have developed a ventilator using readily available and inexpensive bag valve masks, usually operated by hand.
This device will mechanically compress this to reduce the burden on human operators who might have to compress this bag for hours at a time.
It's made from off-the-shelf parts with sensors to help mimic breathing and is relatively low-tech.
From my perspective, as a robotics guy, it's just a robot that squeezes something.
Rice seniors created a prototype last year in the Oshman Design Kitchen. Now, with the help of metric technologies, engineers have made a more robust version for the COVID-19 crisis. A typical ventilator costs $10,000. This version, about $300.
This is a device that could reduce the load on existing ventilators to basically help people who are in respiratory distress, but not at a critical case.